Have you ever wondered how some people effortlessly manifest their dream lives? The secret is scripting, a powerful tool used for centuries by the most successful people. Scripting is writing down your desired outcome as if it's already happened. Think of your mind as a powerful magnet. What you focus on, you attract. When you script, you're programming your subconscious mind to believe your dream life is already a reality. Scripting is more than just writing down goals. It's about feeling the emotions of already having achieved them. Combine scripting with affirmations and meditation to create a potent cocktail for manifestation. Together, these practices can shift your mindset, raise your vibration, and make you a magnet for your desires. In this video, we'll dive deep into scripting and how it can unlock your dream life. You'll learn how to write a powerful script that resonates with your soul and inspires action. We'll explore the importance of vivid imagery, strong emotions, and sensory details in scripting. Discover a little-known secret: recording your script as an audio file and listening to it daily. This keeps your subconscious mind focused on your desires and maintains a high vibration. We'll also introduce affirmations that support your script, acting as powerful reminders of your worthiness. Throughout this video, we'll share practical tips and techniques for immediate results. We'll guide you step by step through the scripting process, from setting clear intentions to celebrating your manifestations. Get ready to embark on an exciting journey of self-discovery and transformation. Let's dive into writing your dream script. There are no hard and fast rules. It's your script, your dream, your vision. However, a few guidelines can help you craft a powerful script. Choose a specific area of your life to focus on, like career, relationships, finances, health, or personal growth. Let your imagination run wild and imagine yourself living your dream life in this area. Be as specific and detailed as possible. Don't just write, "I am successful." Describe what success looks and feels like for you. For example, I am a sought-after speaker, inspiring thousands with my message. I wake up every day feeling energized and excited to share my gifts with the world. The key is to create a vivid, detailed story of your dream life. Write your script in the present tense, as if everything you desire is already happening. This tricks your subconscious mind into believing it's real, crucial for manifestation. Engage all your senses as you write. Don't just describe what you see. Mention what you hear, smell, taste, and touch. For example, if your dream is to live in a beachfront villa, describe the sound of waves, the salty ocean air, and the feel of soft sand. This creates a more immersive experience, making your script even more powerful. The more vivid and detailed your script, the more effective it will be. Infuse your script with your unique personality and desires. It's not just about the words. It's about the emotions you feel while writing them. The more emotion you bring to your script, the more powerful it becomes. Immerse yourself in the experience and feel the joy, excitement, and gratitude. Don't be afraid to get theatrical. Laugh, cry, shout with joy, let your emotions flow freely. This will supercharge your script and send a powerful message to the universe. The universe responds to energy, and emotions are pure energy. Visualize each scene vividly and imagine yourself living that reality. Therein lies the magic as you begin to embody the energy of your desires.
Check one, check.
Now that you've crafted your dream script, it's time to amplify it with the power of your voice. Your voice is like a tuning fork, vibrating at a specific frequency. When you speak your desires out loud, you're sending a clear, powerful signal to the universe. Align your energy with your desires and create a vibrational match for what you want to attract. Infuse your reading with excitement, passion, and belief. Imagine you've already achieved your dream life and describe it with joy and enthusiasm. This energy will amplify your manifestation power. Find a quiet space where you can fully express yourself without distractions. Open your script and take a few deep breaths to center yourself. As you read, imagine you're sharing the most incredible news with someone you love. Let your voice soar with excitement as you describe your dream life. Feel the joy bubbling up inside you as you speak about your experiences and abundance. Don't hold back. Allow yourself to get fully immersed in the experience. The more emotion you bring to your recording, the more powerful it will be. Remember, we're aiming for authenticity, not perfection. Your excitement is the fuel that will ignite your manifestation power. Once you've recorded your script, listen to it consistently. Repetition is key to reprogramming your subconscious mind. By listening regularly, you're reinforcing your desires and aligning your energy with your dream life. Make it a regular part of your routine, like watering a plant. As you listen to your own voice with conviction and excitement, your subconscious mind begins to accept it as truth. It starts to believe that this dream life is not just a possibility, but a probability. And when your subconscious mind believes something, it will move mountains to achieve it. Consistency will help your dreams blossom into reality. Let's add another layer to this manifestation masterpiece. Affirmations. Affirmations are short, powerful statements that declare your desired reality as if it's already true. They reprogram your subconscious mind and align your energy with your dreams. Think of your mind like a garden. Your thoughts are seeds. Plant positive, empowering thoughts to cultivate a garden of abundance, joy, and fulfillment. Affirmations nourish those positive seeds, helping them to take root and grow. Your subconscious mind is being reminded of how worthy you are to create and have the life you desire. When crafting affirmations, choose statements that resonate deeply with you. These affirmations should be personal, specific, and aligned with your desires. Instead of general affirmations like "I am wealthy," tailor them to your specific goals. For instance, "I am a magnet for financial abundance. Money flows into my life effortlessly and joyfully." Use the present tense to trick your subconscious mind into believing your desires are already a reality. This accelerates the manifestation process. Feel the truth of those words as you write them. The more specific and emotionally charged your affirmations, the more powerful they will be. Supercharge your affirmations by writing them down daily. The act of writing engages your subconscious mind on a deeper level. Choose a special notebook dedicated to your affirmations. Each morning, find a quiet space and begin writing your affirmations with intention. Visualize each affirmation as already true, and feel the emotions as if you're living that reality. This daily practice creates a powerful energetic shift within you. It aligns your vibration with your desires, attracting them into your reality. Consistency is key. Even 5 minutes each morning can make a difference. In addition to writing, speak your affirmations out loud. Your voice sends a clear and powerful message to the universe, declaring your intentions. Integrate scripting and affirmations into a powerful daily ritual. This is a multi-level embedding of your desires, and if you follow it faithfully, so powerful. Each morning, find a quiet space and listen to your recorded script. Allow yourself to be fully immersed in the experience. Feel the emotions, visualize the scenes, and embody the energy of your desires. After listening, take out your affirmation notebook and write your affirmations with intention. Visualize each affirmation as already true and feel the emotions. This daily ritual sets the tone for a day filled with purpose and possibility. Consistent practice will create a fertile ground for your dreams to blossom. Dedicate at least 15 minutes to meditation each day. Meditation allows you to quiet your mind, connect with your inner self, and tap into the infinite power of the universe. Release any limiting beliefs or negative thoughts that may be blocking your manifestations. Find a comfortable seated position. Close your eyes and focus on your breath. As you relax, bring your dream life to mind and visualize yourself living that reality. Engage all your senses and make it feel as real as possible. The more you meditate on your desires, the more you align your energy with them. This makes their manifestation inevitable. In the evening, as you wind down, listen to your recorded script. Drift off to sleep feeling grateful, knowing you are creating your dream life. Listening, writing, and meditating create a powerful synergy towards your goals. Align with your desires and let the universe work its magic. Trust the process, be patient, and never give up on your dreams. You'll notice subtle shifts in your energy and reality. Feel lighter, more optimistic, and aligned with your purpose. Synchronicities will guide you towards your desires. Obstacles will melt away, and opportunities will arise. Embrace these transformations with gratitude, knowing the universe supports you. Where did these powerful concepts of scripting, affirmations, and visualization originate? Neville Goddard played a significant role in bringing them to modern consciousness. Born in Barbados in 1905, he was a spiritual teacher, author, and lecturer. Goddard believed our self-imposed limitations stop us reaching our potential. He taught that our imagination is the most powerful tool we possess. One of Goddard's central teachings was living in the end. Imagine ourselves as already having achieved our desires. By vividly feeling the emotions, we create a vibrational match for it to manifest. Goddard emphasized that our thoughts are powerful creative forces. Every thought, feeling, and belief sends out a vibration, attracting experiences that match. We are constantly manifesting our reality. The key is to become conscious creators of our experience. Focus on what we want to create, not on fear or lack. Scripting, affirmations, and visualization are powerful tools. By integrating these practices, we shape our reality. Unlock your dream life through scripting. Scripting, affirmations, visualization, and meditation create a potent force. Your mind is a garden, and your thoughts are the seeds. Nurture them with care and watch your dreams blossom. The journey to manifesting your dream life is transformative. Embrace it, celebrate each step, and recognize your power. Thank you for joining me on this journey of self-discovery. If you found this valuable, please like, share, and subscribe. Remember, you are worthy and powerful beyond measure, and all that you desire awaits you.